Hi everyone, and welcome to Ask the Colorado Dream House team. I'm your host, Dan Polimino, coming at you from Denver, Colorado, live on a Tuesday. Hope you're all doing well, and welcome to the show. This is everything about real estate. We answer your questions and help you strategize the real estate market. Whether you're buying, selling, or investing in real estate, the information we give you here is from years of experience and thousands of transactions. So we hope you find it helpful wherever you are in the country. And as always, you can leave questions right here on Facebook. You can email us at team@coloradodreamhouse.com, or you can give us a call. And of course, if we can help you, we'd be happy to talk to you. Two things we like to accomplish every show. We want to give you some market information that you can use. We call it news you can use, and we like to answer your questions. All right, so the October numbers are out. Now, if you go back and you look at some of the posts that I did in October, people were asking the question, is the market cooling off? Is there a change? Or is it just seasonality? Now, my answer at that time was, we've had 3 successive months of decreased sales. We've had 3 successive months of decreased prices. If it happens for a 4th month, then I think we can say that the market has cooled off. Well, it's actually a mixed bag result, because while we had less sales again in October, the average price went up by about 4%. So the number of homes sold decreased by 9% for a 4th month in a row. However, as I said, the average price of a home bumped up by about 4% to an average of $437. So again, if you're thinking about moving to Denver, real estate here is not cheap. Just a basic 3-bedroom single-family home in Colorado will now cost you $437,000. Some other numbers that you can use. Inventory. Inventory is a big deal because it talks about the number of homes on the market for sale. And as of right now, there are only 5,200 homes active on the market. That is a 20% drop from September. So we thought that there would be a real bump in inventory, that people would put their homes on in October. Didn't happen. In fact, inventory decreased by 20%. Only 4,400 homes came to market in the month of October. That's not a lot. As I said, it's down about 20%. The other interesting stat is that of the 4,400 homes that came to market, 5,100 went under contract. So if 5,100 go under contract, 44 come to market, that's a deficit of about 700 homes. So inventory in the month of October decreased by about 700. Those are the numbers you need to know. What does it all mean? Yes, I think there's a cooling off of the market, and it's not just seasonality. I think that this is going to be a bit of a flattening of the market. And listen, folks, that's okay, because we couldn't sustain, nor could any city sustain, double-digit growth month after month after month. It's just not sustainable. And that's what happens when you get a bubble. All right? Now, on to your questions. I hope that's news you can use. Dear Colorado Dream House team, we are trying to save money for a down payment, but we are worried we will not have enough money to buy a house. Do you have any tips? Well, the obvious tip is save, 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 and save. Don't take that vacation. Don't buy that new car. Don't go out to dinner. Take the money and put it aside. But you don't need as much as you think. Okay, so that's the real nugget today. There are loans today where you can buy a house for 1% down. So let's just say the house you're looking at is $500,000. That means you have to bring a down payment of $5,000. Now, can you save $5,000? Sure you can. You can do some of the tips I just gave you, but in a calendar year, I bet you can save $5,000. Now, the question is, well, shoot, Dan, I mean, $5,000 doesn't seem like a lot. 1% down doesn't seem like a lot. Well, here's the catch. The lender will contribute 2% to your down payment. So they'll contribute $10,000 while you contribute $5,000 for a total of $15,000 down, or 3% in equity. Some of these deals come with no mortgage insurance, which will save you money. So again, if you want to find out about what programs are out there that can help you, contact us at the Colorado Dream House team. Excuse me. And we'll tell you, I mean, one of the most valuable things that we do for our clients, whether you're buying a jumbo property or you're a first-time home buyer, is we find you cheap money. All right? Dear Colorado Dream House team, we have been looking for a while but have not been able to find a home on the resale market. We're thinking about building but don't understand how construction loans work. Can you help? Short answer, yes, we can help. And construction loans are complicated. A lot of the big lenders, your Chase, your Wells Fargo, your Bank of America, they don't want to get involved with a land purchase and a construction loan. They just don't like those. They are more about resale origination. But your smaller local banks, your First Bank, your Vectra, your Key Bank, these smaller local banks will actually do construction and land loans. Some of them don't do land loans at all. Like if you just want to buy a piece of land and sit on it, they're going to ask for 30 or 40% down, and they really don't want to be involved. What they want is for you to buy the land and take out a construction loan all in one, roll it all into one, and then have one close and have a 30-year mortgage on top of that. This is a complicated area. There are a lot of rules and stipulations about how much you put down if you're buying land only, how much you put down if you're doing land and construction loan. Is it a one-close system? Is it a two-close system? Are the rates higher? Are the rates lower? What do you need to qualify? How is the builder paid? How is the person who owns the land paid? All complicated questions. So I would encourage you to call us at the Colorado Dream House team, and we'll walk you through it. And we actually have some vacant land for sale. All right? Dear Colorado Dream House team, I have heard you talk about bridge loans before, but can you explain again how they work? We would love to buy a home before we sell our home. So this, we're going to buy a home before we sell our home, is more and more popular because of the low inventory situation. When you don't have a lot of homes to sell, you're worried about where you're going to go. And so many people have opted to say, I want to find where we're going to go first. I want to find the next home first, and then I'll sell my home. However, there's a catch. They need the money out of their home in order to purchase this home, which is why we've been pushing people to bridge loans or home equity loans. They both act very much the same. Whether we're talking about a home equity loan or a bridge loan, they are taking the equity out of your current home. They are loaning it to you for a short period of time, 3 to 6 months. You are then taking that money and using it as your down payment on your new home. Once you close on your new home and you move in, you put the old home up for sale. Once the old home sells, you pay off that bridge loan. Pretty simple. We've got a lot of banks that we're working with that have either a bridge loan or a home equity loan in place that can get the money out of your house in as little as 10 days to 3 weeks. So again, contact us about that because that could be an option for you. Call us at the Colorado Dream House team. All right, want to tell you about a home we've got on the market. It's an incredible house up in the Broomfield area. If you know the Quail Creek subdivision, new sub area by Wonderland Homes, really, really nice high-end finishes and upgrades. It's 13752 Raritan Lane. Beautiful home, hardwood floors, granite, quartz, really nice color scheme and finishes, open floor plan. Check it out. Go to coloradodreamhouse.com/Raritan. And if you're looking for a single family home in the 500,000s, that maybe that first home, check out Raritan Lane in Broomfield on our website. All right? Well, that's it for today. Everybody have a great week. We'll talk to you again on Thursday.